Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss the second lab program. The program states create a table called employee that contains attributes employee number, employee name, job, manager, salary and execute the following. We have 5 sub questions here. The first question, add a column commission with the domain to the employee table, insert any 5 records into the table, and the third one, update the column details of the job, then rename the column of the employee table using alter command, and finally delete the employee whose employee number is 105. Before moving on to the sub questions, first we need to create a table called employee having the attributes employee number, employee name, job, manager and salary. So here we have a code, create table followed by the table name employee, then employee number, all the attributes defined under the data types. First we'll execute this query, run. So yes, SQL query successfully executed, the result is empty. Why? Because we just created the table but we have not inserted any one of the values or records into the table. That is why the result is showing empty. Now we'll move on to the first sub question, that is add a column commission with the domain to the employee. Using alter command, we'll add one more column, alter table followed by the table name employee. As we need to add a column, we have one more operation called add followed by the name of the column commission and the data type float. We'll execute this command or else the query, run, successfully executed. Again it is showing the result is empty. Here we just added a column called commission to the existing table. We have not entered any values, so that is why the result set is empty. So second sub question, insert any 5 records into the table. So for that we are going with the insert command, insert into followed by the table name employee, then it is followed by the attributes or the entities, and then values. We are going to have 5 values over there according to the number, name, job, manager, salary and commission. Okay, then run SQL. Syntax error it is showing. Here you can see we have missed one of the code, that is why it is showing the syntax error. So run SQL. SQL query successfully executed, the result is empty. But here if I want to see how many records are already updated in the table, I need to go with one more command or else the query called select whatever the information required. I need the whole columns, that means all the attributes. For that I am going to use select star or else you can call it as the asterisk symbol from the table name employee followed by semicolon, then run SQL. Yes, you can see here the 6 columns having the values. Okay, then moving on to the next sub question, that is 3, update the column details of the job. We have already the column details, job column details, but we need to update in the sense some modifications is required for that. For that we are going with update command for to the table employee, set job of data analyst where employee is equal to 101. Here you can see 101 employee is having a job developer, but we are changing that into data analyst using a command called the update. Update. Observe the changes here for the employee 101. Before executing it was developer. After executing, I will show you the output using the same command. Yes, you can see it has been changed to data analyst now. So the next question, that is rename the column of the employee table using alter command. We need to rename the column of the employee table, any one of the column of the employee table using alter command.